Now you are going to take a quiz on the sounds of letters. So this is number 5 on your handout. And you're going to listen for the sounds of the letters. For this, I want you to write only lowercase letters. So write lowercase letters. And it says, listen to the sound of a letter. Then write the letter that makes that sound. Number 1 will be an example. So number 1, the sound of the letter is D. D. Which letter makes the sound D? Write your answer. The answer is D. The letter D makes the sound D. So now I will go through the rest of the numbers, and you are listening for the sound, and you will write the letter that makes that sound. Number 2. F. F. Number 3. S. S. Number 4. J. J. Number 5. P. P. Number 6. E. E. Number 7. I. I. Number 8. Mm. Mm. Number 9. K. K. Number 10. Ah. Ah. Number 11. Er. I will go through them one more time. Number 1, D. Number 2, F. Number 3, S. S. Number 4, J. Number 5, P. Number 6, E. Number 7, I. Number 8, Number 9, K. Number 10, Ah. And number 11,